Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to the State of Crypto, and one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I am your host Martin. In this episode, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin and Ethereum trying to hold part 2. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome, and if you're catching the replay and having any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you are thinking. Now, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and that bell so you're notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us when the stream is on, you can join us on the Discord. The links will be going out right now. And for some reason, it doesn't want to go out to YouTube, so we'll send it out from here. Just pin this at the top of the chat so you guys know where to go. There's the Discord pin at the top. So let's get going. Let's see what's going on here on crypto. Who is in the house? Jeff Loomis, what is up, my friend? Steve. Heyo, Andrew, what's up? Another hail. Carthago. Good evening across Canada. I want to know if Ethereum's going to skyrocket from here, please. Well, that's going to be a good question. Craig Wadding, what is up, my friend? Hey guys, thank you all for being here. Thank you for joining me on this awesome Sunday night. I hope you're having a great time. I hope you're having fun Sunday. We're gonna start the week. Let's see what's gonna be in store for us. Let's get some Sunday night charting. I know. We did some night charting. Cheers, I guess. I'm drinking like cider, so it's pretty sweet. Let's keep rolling and see how things are gonna go, man. Let's go to market cap. Where is she? Right, market cap. Let's do that. What? Am I charted again? Yeah, let's see what's happening here with the market cap, man. Again, some potential action to upside. We're holding that 20. We did manage to go up 1.74%. So again, we're getting a lot of indecision, right? We opened below the 20, not because we moved below, because we just opened next to it. Right now, going back down a bit, holding support. We're gonna see what we're gonna do. You like the new setup? Thanks, man. I appreciate it. I also like the new setup. It's all carefully planned to induce likes. I got my Mario Bros shirt today, so let's see what's gonna be in store for us. Let's see if we can go for 1-ups. Like that. So let's roll. Low to high, negative, less negative, low to high, nothing here, bullish or bearish, neutral at 46.45. And again, like I said, we've been stagnating for the last couple days. Sideways motion, not the most exciting time for crypto. Bitcoin dominance yesterday gained a little bit below that 20 still. Getting 0.45 today, rejecting at 20 briefly, 0.20. We still have 21 hours and 52 minutes to go. So the whole day. Sitting at 46.09% of market cap. All markets going down. Bitcoin going down a little bit faster than the alts. Bitcoin's going down in total 0.43%. Market cap going down 0.08%. Craig, thank you very much for that kind donation. For some reason, they're not coming through on the activity feed with a little notification. Just up for it. Yeah. Oh, there we go. Came through. There it is. So it was just 1-up.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. That is awesome.
Thank you very much.
Craig, we'll do 1-up extra for you there, man. Instead of getting a second artwork with a bull and a bear flip, you could put the one you have on a sliding track, since there's room on my left. I mean, that side. Yeah, there's gonna be another piece of art that's gonna go there. And the reason is when I'm sitting down, you can see that one fairly well. I don't want to be sliding it up and down as I am standing up. Why are you shadow banned again? Yes, I'm shadow banned again. I'm always shadow banned. That's the name of the stream. That's the name of that we should just name our new stream the Shadow Bans Crypto. And then see if they shadow ban us. Anyways, moving sideways. For some reason, music seems to have stopped. Potential action to that downside when we're down. Hitting that 20, bouncing out right now. Rejecting lower average value here on market cap for everything else except for Bitcoin. So that's okay. It's okay. Let's go to Bitcoin price at $34,115. Man, did we move up? Shadow ban crypto. Yes. We'll just be SBC, man. We're still up on this area. We did manage to pump 2.21%. So again, if this is the final watch that we're looking at on this major time scale, we're briefly breaking it, which again would lead me to take this as maybe we should consider the wicks and not just the bodies. So I might reposition this later on. We'll see. But again, on a break, we should be looking for action to the upside. Neutral at 47.34. High to low, even here, high to low, high to low, high to low. Nothing bearish, man. Nothing happening on the daily. Let's go to the other Bitcoin chart we'll look at. Let's see where we're at, man. We're bouncing between, or we're trying to get above that 34,151, but we're failing and still holding that 20 as support. Really wish we could go back up above that level and try to aim for that 35,133. Bitcoin goes back to being bullish above 35K. So let's, well, not bullish, but a little bit more short-term bullet. Let's go to the 4-hour. The 4-hour, we got confirmation of something. You guys remember how we talked about rejecting the zone for quite a bit? Now we broke back into that triangle. Guess what? That invalidated the triangle. So we're no longer looking for this large move to downside where we could be targeting 30,204. We're actually looking at this as a potential fall wedge. So our triangle has shifted, which again is very nice. That is what we want to see. That's the pattern that I want to go for. That fall wedge tends to be bullish. With that bullishness, reading action to the upside. So hopefully we can hold again 34,151 and try to break that to the upside and get that motion. Or instead we're looking here for action to the downside, we could be looking for action to the upside, right? We'll target somewhere around 37,841, which would be okay for Bitcoin. No complaints here. Let's go to the 1 hour. on the 1 hour chart, man. Low to high, high to low. You guessed it, right? Bearish divergence. Strong, and we developed that a couple hours ago. 4 p.m. my time, so about 5 hours ago. Not a long time ago. Not a long time ago, right? Short time. We have this. We don't have it against the RSI. It's just against the MACD. It is strong bearish divergence, fraction of downside. That's what's moving us down. And on that move, we could be aiming for the 20 moving average at 33,962. Let's keep rolling. Onwards to Ethereum, my friends. Yeah. It's not the quickest pop, but it's okay. Short-lived. Cali crop doc. Yo, can we look at Atom? It's a dumping. My goodness, it's a dumping. We'll get it in a second, man. If you formally request it, we can put it on the Discord. Sorry, on the list. The points to look at. Ethereum on the daily, high to low, low to high, bearish divergence, moving down, holding on that 20, still between that 2,263 and 1,844. Neutral at 46.63. Nothing happening here. 4 hour chart, high to low, low to high, some hidden bearish divergence. Starting to build here on the Ethereum 4 hour, and that could start to put some pressure on that price, and that price might start to go down a bit. That is what I'm seeing here, at least on the short term for Ethereum. And as you can tell, look at that, boom, right? We're starting to go sideways a bit, which also comes with the territory of the hidden bearish divergence. We are neutral at 47.38. On to the 1 hour. Again, it might be a quick stream tonight, guys. Not because I want to make it quick. It's just there's really not a lot happening with the market. So there's yeah, figure it out. Jake, May, if you guys want to have a quick chat afterwards, that'll be awesome. We need to discuss some things real quick. Low to high, negative, more negative, right? Some hidden bullish, trying to give support. We had strong bearish, right, against the MACD. RSI, it's giving this very weird looking hidden bullish divergence. Why am I saying weird? Because these lines are almost non-existent, right? They're like a negative momentum here, a negative momentum here. I'm gonna try to confirm here. Yeah, very little also, so that works. We got confirmation on another chart. We're looking at right data, hitting bullish, potential action to the upside here on the Ethereum 1 hour chart. 10-4, man. It's awesome. Neutral at 53.03, going up a little bit. That's it for Ethereum. Let's move on to Binance. So, oh, sorry, I didn't say where Ethereum could go. Oh, we did. We said we're in between the channels, right? At 2,263 and 1,884. So holding that 20 could try to get us to go back up to this level. Reject again below that 20. Again, potential hit at that 1,844. Let's go to Binance. Oh, am I in trouble? No, you're not in trouble, man. Why are you in trouble for? No. Just need to. There's stuff from the channel I need to discuss with May and Bitcoin Jake. So we'll see. It's just basically regarding the rebranding and how we're going to be doing things. Probably in the short term, we'll see some things happening. High to low, high to low, high to or low to high here. Let's zoom in here. Low to high. Cool. Hidden bearish. I mean, do I mind this hidden bearish? Nope. It's really not doing a lot for the price. It's just moving it sideways a bit. So, and SoCal, cool. You're here, man. I didn't know you were here, man. But yes, okay, you should be there too. Well, gamers, what is up, my friend?
What's up?
Again, bearish divergence, moving down a bit. Still with the rising wedge. Still trying to go to that upper side. So we'll see, man. This tends to break down. We have not broken down, though, so we'll see. Neutral at 51.78. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. On the 4 hour chart, we had this hidden bullish divergence. We're popping on that high to low, positive, and high to low. Neutral, but almost bought at 59.28. We should be looking for action to the upside. Still, we're pointing up here, and there's no reason why we should not be stopping. Maybe even could hit $336. If we decide to move down, we'll check the 1 hour, but if we decide to move down, we should be aiming for that 20 moving average, $316 on the dot for the 1 hour chart. Am I getting fired again for No one's getting fired, man. No one gets fired. A lot of high. Right, there's some strong bearish divergence here. We already got the move down though, right? Move down, got us out to at 20, and we're popping already. I think there's some hidden bullish here also that's at play. At play, my friends. Hidden bullish divergence for potential action to the upside. Silk is still here, yeah. Anyways, bearish divergence, strong action downside going down to that 20, low to high. Negative, less negative, low to high, nothing here. That is bullish, neutral at, bought at 61.11, and we're still pointing up a bit, but not with a lot of strength, so we'll see here where we want to go. Again, Binance could recover a little bit higher, maybe create more strong bearish divergence, going from one island to the next, right? That wouldn't be weird if we see that happening, and we'll see what's going on there. Can I have half of my ZBT? I'm not sure how much UD my has, and I'm not sure I'm qualified to determine what happens with his ZBT, man. Sorry about that. Let's go to Litecoin, $134.47. On the daily, we're still moving sideways below that 20. Yesterday, very little positive momentum, 0.19% today, 0.19% again. Oh my goodness, it's just boring. We had that hidden bearish divergence. We were stagnating. 4-hour chart. I'm hoping we're gonna break soon. I mean, there's very little volume happening here, so we should be expecting for volatility to pick back up. We don't have here anything that is bearish or bullish. Neutral at 50.45, still within that downsloping channel. Well, let's go to the 1-hour chart, dude. Low to high, high to low, right? Some bearish divergence strong here. We could go from here to here, and we'll be going from a high point to a or positive to negative, right? Again, like I said, dude, not a lot happening, right? We just had this against the MACD. Bearish divergence, moving down, trying to go back up, failing to drop lower than the previous low. Could be looking for some bullish continuation from back here. We'll see. It's still, like I said, yet to be determined. Not getting the cleanest read because we're just getting sideways motion. Trying to get above that 20, we could be targeting this midline, right? Whenever we get here, we reject that 20, we could be targeting this bottom part of that channel, right? So that being said, let's check RSR. The Wrench Squad, brought to you by someone in something. Right on. On the daily on RSR, look at that. Nothingness, right? Going down a bit. 1.84 neutral, 41.66. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. We had this bullish divergence. We pumped on that. This is from the 1 hour. We'll keep it there once we get there. High to low, positive less positive, and high to low. Not a lot happening here. There's also no pattern being built. Do you believe that? You believe that? There's nothing happening there, man. Insanity of the nothingness. I mean, all this divergence did was just move the sideways for a bit. Even though it looks as though it moved up and down quite a bit, it is not significant. It's sitting at 2.3 cents right now. We're breaking down a little bit, and again from here, right? Look at this. Let's zoom in here. Sideways, great. We created some bearish divergence. It's fine. This will move this sideways a bit. Then we held out 20 and tried to rally. From here to here, we're going higher, so we're getting rid of whatever kind of divergence we had back here, and that is fine. By the way, I might do chart cleanup tonight or tomorrow. Get rid of some of that data we're no longer using for analysis. Bearish divergence, strong action to downside. Drunken TA with your host, Shaman's Huddle. Ooh, that'll be a good show. Bearish divergence moving down, a low to high, negative, less negative, or negative, more negative. We'll see here in a second. Negative, more negative. You gotta remember, starting Wednesday or Thursday, streams are gonna be a little bit weird. There might be days where there's not gonna be streams. I'm not sure how much in advance I'm gonna be able to tell you guys. I have my parents visiting next week, so haven't seen them in 2 years, so I really want to spend time with them. So that being said, streams are gonna be off. I'm not sure. There might be days that there are streams, there might be days that the stream's late, there might be days when there's no stream. I'll just basically let you know on the Discord before the stream starts. Neutral at 43.39, pointing down a bit. On that note, that's it for RSR. Some bullish divergence hidden. We might try to go up, maybe move sideways a bit. We'll see. Let's go to XLM. XLM at 24.82 cents. On the daily, man. Breaking this down sloping channel that we ran, right? So that's fine. We're just moving sideways on it. Not a lot of strength on the move. Also not a lot of volume. Look at that. There's no volume. Neutral, sorry, sold at 38.88, pointing up slightly, meaning we might try to go for that 20. A lot of tightness on the Bollinger Bands, meaning there's no volume or no volatility in the market. We need to get volatility back in. If we're expecting to get any kind of moves, when there's no volatility, we're just gonna keep on moving sideways. The range is very tight. We're looking at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands to the top of the Bollinger Bands, and not a lot happening there. High to low, low to high, hidden bearish divergence. Oh no, look at that. You know, we did pop a little bit. That's about it, though. Do I like the market and the way it's moving right now? No, but that's part of, I guess, in crypto we can say you were doing your time, right? You're waiting for something to happen. It's the calm before the storm, as a lot of people call it. Bearish divergence, hidden action to downside potentially. That's what we're looking for right now. Might go back to that 20. Might go back to that 20, even stagnate. Keep in mind that hidden bearish divergence is not the cleanest indicator, because it could go a little bit higher. We can still go slightly higher here and still have that hidden divergence. So that being said, we're still looking for a potential moving down, maybe sideways motion. And if you guys like what we do, you should hit that like, that bell, and the most awesome sub, right? So let's check 1 hour chart. High to low, low to high. I want to have to check here, low to high. So let's zoom in here and see what we're doing, dude. What is this? 0.00043, 0.004352453. So 3.5, slightly higher. Everything here is in good order. There's nothing bearish or bullish happening. The last thing we had was this bullish divergence here. We've just been running with that since. And that note, we're sitting bought at 62.50. Over from way back here, we might have some divergence, I think. So let's go with this move here, high to low. Feels like we were hunting for stuff. It's like we were hunting for stuff, but you know, low to high. Bearish divergence hidden, potential action to downside, maybe sideways motion. That move could be to the 20. The 20 sitting at 24.50 cents. The false flag is in the house. What is up, my friend? How is it going, man? I hope you're doing good. Mr. Flags, I hope you're doing good, man. Let's go to Ada. At $1.35. Oh my goodness, it's trying to hold on to a 20 just like everyone else. Neutral at 46.87. Not a lot happening on the daily. Let's go to the 4 hour. High to low. Low to high. Bearish divergence hidden against the RSI. Nothing against the MACD yet. Like I said, the market is not at its like most fun. So we gotta wait. Control at 50.30. Move down that. Could get us to a 20 moving average right now at $1.33. Let's go to the 1 hour. Old coin leads, you assume? Maybe, I'm not sure. Not sure why I didn't save. I've been saving, like I started the stream with a saved list because just when I opened it, it just came up to RSR. For some reason, this is not refreshing the coin list. So what I have to do here is reload the script. There we go. Hopefully it'll change now. On the 1 hour, low to high. Do we have anything here? Nope. Low to high, low to high. Ball in neutral at 58.32, pointing up. We might still be looking for action to the upside, so we could go for $1.36, maybe even $1.37. Create some bearish divergence, then try to break down, man. I mean, it's just sideways, man. The market's sideways, so we don't have a lot of stuff happening, right? Someone said something about some other coin dropping. I can't remember what coin it was. Did he make a proper request, my friend? Adam, that was it. Let's go to the Adam and see what's happening there. Adam. I mean, I wish the market was a lot more fun. Yes, it's starting to drop. We were looking for bearish divergence yesterday. Look at that. Bearish divergence. Action to downside. Oh my goodness. How we know? Because we're wizards. Jason, what is up?
What's up?
We're staying neutral at 56.31. Let's go to the 4 hour. Again, look at that. Bearish divergence. We were hunting for it here. We still got it here, and we just broke down since. Again, we had a lot of bearish divergence here on Atom. Neutral at 55.46. So again, action downside. And on the 1 hour chart, man, look at that. We were also looking for the bearish divergence. Same thing happened. Look at that. From here to here, from here to here, even here in the short term, from this high to the slightly lower point. And a lot of bearish divergence that we knew we were already building, and we got that action downside. Good. I mean, not good, but you know, it is what it is. It is what we have. It is what we can play with. What happened? We went down, tried to hold on to that 20, failed to get higher than the previous high on the bounce. Thus we dropped. We lost a 20. We hit that 20, we're rejecting, so we're longing for lower areas of value. All hope is not lost for Adam. We are creating some hidden bullish, and with that, we could be looking for stagnation, maybe a retest, and try to get above that line here at $13.99. So almost 14 buckaroos, right? Look at that, from here to here, and from here to here. Most awesome. Who's in the house? Tony Yee. Yo, what's up? Carrie, can you look at sold? Yes, thank you for being here, Carrie. Greg, what is up? Did I talk about Ethereum? Yes, I already talked about Ethereum. Haha, this music hurts. I'm not sure how it hurts. Peter Post, let me know. Yeah, Peter Post in the house. Maker of Post cereal. Kidding. Can't do Bitcoin 3 months, 6 months with the free version of Ready. Sorry, man. I wish I could. I really wish I could, man. Hey, buddy. Haha, I know. Drums got delayed.
My name is Jeff.
Sorry, it was my bad. Right. So, first things first. Soul. Sure. Or Solana. Solana's $1, 32.31. Right on. $32.31. High to low. High to low. So nothing here that is bearish. Also nothing right now that is bullish on the daily. And all we're getting is this triangle formation. Again, if you don't know what I'm looking at, I'll show you. I'll show you real quick. We're making a large triangle. It's starting to look like this. Somewhat. Something like that. It's symmetrical, down sloping. It just means we're consolidating within that area. Going up, hitting that 20. And we're, tightening on the boundary bands. Neutral at 46.49. Still pointing up, meaning we could still be trying to go up a little bit. Starting to make negative momentum, but not a lot of it. And we're making negative momentum, although we're making positive price action, which is somewhat upward to see. Greg, guessing you finally got the new gear. Congrats. Yes, I got some of the new gear. I haven't gotten the laptop in yet. Thank you very much, man. I really appreciate it.
Thank you very much.
I didn't want to hit that bearish. I just hit it with my knuckle by accident. So And I'm waiting for the camera to focus me again. There we go. Focus on this beautiful face, camera. Load high, load high, load high. I was able to mute that mic just in time for the sneeze hit. Before we get the snizzles. Bullish divergence, strong action to the upside, starting pumping that. Heading for that 20, that would have been the target. We have not hit it yet. We could still try to make it go for that 20. That would be pretty neat. That 20 sitting at $32.59. We're sitting at $33.35. So we're talking about a very, very short pump, like 30 cents. It's not a lot. Nothing bearish happening here. Neutral at 44.82. Still pointing up here on the RSI, meaning that we're still looking for action to the upside. On the 1 hour chart, do we have something bearish? It looks as though we might have some bearish divergence, unfortunately. Oh man, now I'm getting the hiccups. Not cool. I'm getting the hiccups. Quick, someone scare me. Bearish divergence, action downside, low to high. Negative. Low to high here, neutral at 53.44, still pointing up. We went down, we hit that 20, and we're bouncing now. We could still be looking for action to the upside here. We need to get above this high. Otherwise, we're going to confirm this bearish divergence is taking hold. Might try to move us down farther, but if we try to get above this zone, we could be trying to go for a slightly higher point here. And then we could be going for more bearish divergence by going from a high point to a higher point, and then a high to low here and high to low. I need some whiskey. I'm drinking some cider right now. Hard cider. Pretty good. That being said, that is it for Sol. Again, we could still try and go up a little bit more, right? Then someone else said something else here. I think it was an Ethereum recap. Since I'm not writing on the notebook anymore, it makes it weirder because now I'm trying to remember what you guys requested. I used to like the notebook, keeping track of coins. It gives me like, you know, a way to go back and check and take notes on some of the coins that we called for, or some of the patterns that were discovered, and then we could go back and check them out. But you know, that's what it is. Trying to become more digital and rely less on the notebook, and I'm just trying to go with that list right there. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, no worry, Carrie. Thank you very much for that. Johnny Walker and Coke for tonight. Oh, that's awesome. Have a Johnny Walker Black. Johnny Walker Black Space Side Origin or Original or something like that. I'm not sure. Comp board. Try and put comp on the list. We're gonna do Ethereum though first, because someone said, "Yo, my friend, can you do Ethereum?" And I said, "Yeah, we will." 2,145. Still trying to rally a little bit on that hour, so it's pretty good. On daily bearish divergence, moving down, hitting that 20, trying to find support and rallying. We could be going for a 2,263 if we hold on to that 20. 4-hour chart also went down, hitting that 20 and trying to bounce, which is good. We had this hidden divergence. Now this hidden divergence we're going to carry even if we pump all the way up here, and we just keep making more positive momentum. It's just something we're not going to be able to shake off. At some point in time, it's going to kick in. Right now, it's just putting pressure on the price and making it move sideways a bit. Neutral at 48.35. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour, we had this hidden bullish, and we're getting that rally at the 20, which is pretty good. Now we still have this bearish divergence, and this is the price to beat. If we fail to get higher than 2,168, we can still be looking for this bearish divergence to kick in and push the price of Bitcoin, of Ethereum, farther down. Let's go check out Comp, because I think Comp was trading that Comp with handle, right? Comp to the tether. Hello, Madison. How's it going?
What's up?
Oh, look at that. We're still making that handle. Not really defined yet, but we're still making that handle. Neutral at 58.69. A lot happening here. 4-hour chart. Low to high. Positive, more positive. And high to a higher high. Neutral at 50.95. Again, could go the way here. If we go down, hit that 20, we could try to look for a pop. Last thing we have is this bullish divergence, which is making us go up, and that is fine. We're not really doing much since. Let's go to the 1-hour chart, hitting bullish divergence, pumping on that. And here is where things are going to start to get a little bit weird, because I think we're going to be creating bearish divergence. Yes, strong bearish divergence against the MACD. And guess what? This bearish divergence strong brings action to the downside. We get that move down, we hit that 20, we broke it. Low to high, negative, less negative, low to high, nothing bullish. Right? Nothing bullish, man. We're just waiting. We're waiting for this to do something. So, it's a lot of fun. I'll be right back. I'm gonna get myself more cider. So, while I come back, who do you think is gonna pump first? Ethereum or Bitcoin? Who do you think is gonna get out of the rut first? Ethereum or Bitcoin? Let me know on the chat who do you think is gonna pump first, or who's gonna pump hardest. And I'll be right back. I'm back. Let's see what's happening, man. Prepare for war. What is up? So good. Poor Soga. Right. Phantom Pooper. Huh. Something. Yes. We do have a pet section on Discord. Okay, we're gonna pump this week for sure. That's Tony's prediction. We'll see, man. I'm confident Ethereum has more potential. I believe Ethereum has more potential than Bitcoin right now. All right, awesome. Kiddos. All right. Let's go with Ethereum. I think I'm caught up with comments. Great. It's pretty neat. Yeah, it's pretty neat. Right. Craig says spring. Yeah, we'll see, man. Some announcements. I got pinged apparently. Oh, it's just the announcements. Right on, pet photos. Ooh, I see the cat. Anyways, what else, guys? What do you guys want to talk about? You guys can pick the topic. It's free choice, right? If you haven't looked at news, I want to look at some articles, I guess. open Cointelegraph. We're gonna see what's happening in the crypto world. We haven't seen what's happening in the crypto world in a while. I'm literally the way, but this is a community effort, so you guys can also choose. Right. Well, they do have different picks, my friend. They do say 5 top currencies to watch for this week: Bitcoin, Luna, Atom, Cake, and FTT. Interesting. Strong Bitcoin accumulation spotted as Bitcoin price refuses to fall below 30K. We already know that. We already know we're range bound, that we're stuck, and that we're trying to figure out where we're gonna go, man. Key altcoin price metrics flash bullish ahead of Axie's Infinity Parabolic rally. Kick of time in your Euro 2020 finals. Ooh, I say no Euro 2020 finals. We're there. Crypto is taking the words in their unfair taxation in the US. You're correct. It is unfair. I don't think there's anything even happening on the news that is like important. YouTuber accused of engaging engineering multi-million pump and dump via Uniswap. What? I want to see what that was. Is this why we're getting shadow banned, or many of us are getting shadow banned? Oh, what? I think I've heard that guy before. Oh yeah, I've seen him before. On Snap. I know who he be. Oh yeah, I've seen him before. So, you ever read articles on Coinbase? No, I rarely go to Coinbase for news. I go to Coinbase for other stuff. Right. So he probably dumped on people. Ooh, not good. Interesting. So I'm so shadow banned. That would probably. That's insane, man. That is insane. I'm gonna read this article later on. I want to see what happened. I've seen videos from that guy before, so yeah, that's one of the bad things, right? As a creator, you gotta be careful about what you talk about. That's why I don't like to go and talk about coins that I'm in, or look at projects that get requested that might be too small of a market cap. I try to avoid them. And even though we don't have the the largest channel, we do have the greatest community out there. That is for sure. Yeah, I vouch for that. But the thing is, since everything that we say we're accountable for, and if I go and start mentioning a lot of small cap projects and you guys get into them, it could be misinterpreted by the market, and then if the project drops, all of a sudden it's going to be a pump and dump or something like that, right? We don't go that way. Remember when I was down? Yeah, I know. I'm glad I'm back. I can tell you that. I'm glad I am back. I'm gonna sit here for a second, guys. Tired of standing up. Been a good day so far. Let's get this thing lower. Yay, here we go. Great, we are on a level, man. That is awesome. I love this chair. I love this desk. Can I recommend a chart or a site for charts that show the volume of leverage trade? I don't look at charts with leverage trades, my friend. So I'm not sure I could point you to any chart for that matter. I'm sorry about that. I wish I could. I really, really wish I could, man. So, new lights and background. Yes, new lights and background. Yeah. right? It's okay, man. It's okay. How about Luna, Ave, Avex? Sure. I mean, we'll go with the first one I find. The first one I find, it's Ave, I think. Ave. We'll just do Ave in the daily. High to low, high to low, high to low. Low to high, negative, more negative, alright. Hidden bullish, sideways motion since stuck between 50% and the 618. Not a lot happening since, just a lot of sideways motion, neutral. 55.62, pointing sideways here on the MACD on the 4 hours. So not a lot happening there. On the daily, we were looking for that bullish divergence pump for a day, then drop farther down. And then we created this very, very nice bullish divergence from one island to the next, which is what we were looking for. And going from here, here, and here to here. A strong bullish divergence, pumping in that, getting that bounce, hitting that 50% retrace, rejecting, right? So if it's work, neutral hit 6.00, moving sideways a little bit here. So again, we're getting that sideways motion here, and it could be accumulation before we pump again. On that note, let's go to the 1 hour. How do I feel about 10 to 20 times leverage trade? I would say start with something smaller, particularly if you never used leverage before. Again, not financial advice. You can do whatever you want, but I would personally start with something smaller. I would say start with 2.5, maybe even 5. I would not go over 10. It's just my preference, though, right? Your mileage may vary. You can choose to do what you will with your money. It's your money, so I cannot tell you what to do with it. All right, hidden bearish divergence, action and downside, moving down, hitting that 20. Trying to pop again. Do we have something bullish here? Yes, we created strong bullish divergence before that rally. Before that rally, sir, we created the bullish divergence. Look at that. I have a bullish divergence pumping. Hidden bearish, stagnating the price. Could try to continue on this bullishness if we try to pump again. We're holding the 20. It's a clear indicator that we're not ready for more action downside yet. Failing to get higher than this first high would not be good. To get above 308. Right now sitting at 306, so it's a $2 rally. Someone please buy some of this who pumps $2. Let's go check out AVAX now. AVAX. Let's get on that daily. Look at that. Low, lower low, negative, positive. Bullish divergence, strong. Strong bullish divergence. Actually, the upside. We're pumping a bit. We are pumping a bit, my friends. Yeah. Oh yeah, man. Oh, yeah. That is just gambling at that point in time. Usual at 47.06. Again, strong bullish divergence. Actually, the upside pump hit that 786. Rejecting, but still holding on to that 20. A lot of tightness on the Bollinger Bands, meaning there's enough volatility. We could be looking for some wild swings happening here. We did create some hidden bearish before we actually broke back down again. That's not good. We just wish hidden bearish divergence was non-existent. It didn't play anything on this market. So we can get pretty pumps right now instead of like getting this potential sideways motion, maybe action and downside, particularly if we break that 20 moving average at $11.79. Right now it's sitting at $12.48. Let's go to the 4-hour chart, man. On the 4-hour chart, low to high, high to low, bearish divergence, strong bearish divergence, breaking us down. Down it breaks you. Now look at this, boom, boom. Low to high, negative, less negative, low to high, neutral at 52.89. Not a lot happening there, man. Not a lot happening there. That could be bullish. I'm gonna wait here and go to the 1 hour and see if we have anything here. Low to high, negative, more negative, hidden bullish. Sideways motion, continuation. We're still moving sideways, slightly upwards. Not too bad for hidden bullish. Not too bad for the hidden bullish divergence. What we gonna do here, mate? I don't know. high to low, and high to low. Bought at 60.64. That is it for this, man. Another coin was requested. Luna. Let's go check out the lunatics. Saint Lunatics. Not this Luna. Ha! This Luna. I wish you could play some better music. Some Cottonmouth Kings and Tech 9 would be pretty sweet. I can't play this because of copyright violations. Low to high. High to low, I think. What? Your kid is doing makeup? What? .36, .368, 36 on the dot almost. So slightly higher. Why is it not getting it? Here we go. Slightly higher and higher. Nothing here that is bearish. Let's get on to the 4-hour chart. Bearish divergence. A lot of bearish divergence building up here. Taking two parts, one from here to here and then one from here to here. I'm just gonna take it this was one shot, go from here to here and go from here to here. Bearish divergence, strong potential action to the downside. Breaking down Unu Captain after we hit a resistance, which again, remember being at a resistance with divergence, strong bearish potential action to downside. She's doing makeup. Is that like any kind of drug or something? Or is she just putting on makeup? I'm not sure. What? Anyways, neutral. Bought at 62.76. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. The 1-hour chart. Low to high, high to low, bearish divergence, strong action to downside. Look at that, our resistance, like we said. And we're breaking down from that. We're breaking it down. Ha ha ha, she's six. Oh, cool. And she's putting on makeup. Awesome. I'm not sure. You said she's doing the makeup. Like, you know, there's some weird name stuff out there. Freedom DAO, Bitcoin, Bacon Coin, sorry. I thought you said Bitcoin there for a second. It's like, no, Bacon Coin. It sounds like it should be tasty. It's probably a rug pull waiting to happen. If it's a food name coin, I'm out of it. Low to high, negative, less negative, low to high, neutral at 50.89. Oh, you meant the Bitcoin. I got it. It's not awesome. Why isn't that awesome? It's just makeup. Who cares? I mean, I'm guessing she's not using like the super expensive stuff, right? Like $1,000 makeup or something like that. So if she just like, if she didn't get into your good makeup, it's just fine. Whatever, man. It's just makeup. It gets removed. It's not like she's getting a tattoo or something like that. That's a little bit more permanent. That's not gonna be cool. Low to high, negative look. Yeah, nothing here, man. Someone saying share. Neutral at 51.09. Freedom DAO, it's following. Thank you very much for the follow, man. There we go. Right, so Bacon Coin. Don't get too hang on the stream and all. Oh, yeah. She's into good stuff. Oh, damn. She's into the good stuff. Get her out of there. Like if she gets into like the daily makeup, that's fine. If she gets into like party going out or whatever makeup, yeah, you don't want her messing around with that. Kids will be kids. I mean, if she already messed it up and it's all on the floor, then whatever, man. It's not a lot you can do. Madison Coffee says tired. Thank you very much for that, Madison. Much appreciated.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary. That is awesome.
Thank
you
very
much for that. Much appreciated. Tired, just let it go. Yeah. That's good, right? Elon Musk, what's up?
What's up?
Neutral 48, 4-hour chart for Bitcoin again, trying to go up. Oh, look at that. We're trying to go up. We might try to break this falling wedge to the upside. 1, 2, 4, 5 is the 5th hit. Can we try to break it to the upside? That'll be awesome. High to low, low to high. If we try to break, we're going to be creating bearish divergence. We're actually creating bearish divergence here on the 4-hour that I forgot to call earlier. How come I forgot to call this? I'm not sure. I forgot. I just slipped. Hey, man. Sometimes it happens. That's when we come back and look at the coins. There we go. This is going to be here on the 4-hour only. Only on the 4-hour. It is. Great. Neutral 59.80, still putting up a bit. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Yo, Maton. Oh, Martin. Ha! I got it. A musky lurk. Yeah. Low to high, high to low again. Bearish divergence. Moving us down. Holding support. Holding support at 34,151. That is good. We're bought 61.23. That's it. That is it, man. If it breaks this area and confirms being outside of that wedge, we could be looking for action to the upside, right? Could be looking for some very, very nice action to the upside. I'll wait for confirmation on the 4-hour chart, though. Not so much the 1-hour. Back to a 5-day work week. Oh, yeah. Mine's going to be short. I'm taking vacation. Because, I'm taking about a week and a half of vacation. Just, you got to spend time with the family. So that's the whole point of it. We're going to be calling the stream here soon, guys. It is Sunday. It's 10 p.m. We've been live for about an hour. I know it's Sunday. You guys want to rest. You guys want to do some stuff. I got to have a chat with the mods. So also, I don't want to keep them up too late. For some of them, it's already an extra hour. So, on that note, we're going to be calling it a stream. Guys, thanks for watching. If you liked what we've done, hit the like, hit the bell, hit the sub. You can join us on Discord. Links went out already. Also, talk about crypto to your friends, to your family, and to your coworkers. Let them know that we are here. This is State of Crypto. I am your host, Martin. It's a pleasure being here on this awesome Sunday night. With you, look at the Bitcoin Weekly. We're just gonna look very quickly at that weekly close. Oh no, it's down on the red. Let's look at it on the head and shoulders. Oh no, it's confirming breaking in that shoulder. We got this week to try to reclaim that neckline. Otherwise, it might not be pretty for Bitcoin. But that being said, guys, Remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please don't trade based on what you see here. We're just discussing ideas. It's all for entertainment and educational purposes only. On that note, I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of State of Crypto. Until then,